Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things I don't understand. I tried to fix it. I tried to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lives all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony, my voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? Sure, I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence, we're rising defiant. We're shouting the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but you're not alone. So we're crowded, so we were liars. So we're not heroes, we're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters, no liars. I'm tired, my divide, I'm the fire, and I'll be right here by your side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, the darkness and harmony, the voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? Get up and watch the jagged edges meet the light. I said we should have let the harmony, fearless underneath. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Oh, this is what it sounds like. Hey, hey, hey. This is what it sounds like. Oh, this is what it sounds like. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. And now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony, my voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless, understand, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Fearless, understand, this is what it sounds like. The truth of what all of our voices all combined. That when darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.